Holy crap. Yeah, baby. Cannot believe that. That bird. Actually, I'm walking along this probably half mile. There's a little creek running through here. Dry creek. So I'm walking along the dry creek and doing some calls, mixing up box call, slate call, nothing. Didn't hear anything. Thought I heard a gobbler way in the distance this way, so I decided to walk this way. Did a couple calls, nothing. So I heard a crow behind me. I said, hey, that's an idea. So I pulled out my crow call. It starts gobbling like crazy right there, man. Must have been 150 yards away. So I just set up real fast, did some more calls, and he came right in. He was gobbling, coming right at me, man, gobbling. It was awesome. And he just came down that little hill, man, and I pounded him probably about 30 yards. I probably could have let him come in a little farther and got him right here, but you know, I'm a firm believer, man. When I see that head, I'm taking him down if I can shoot that far. And look what I got as a result of it. Awesome, awesome bird. Oh my goodness. By far my best bird yet. Holy crap. Guy's huge. That's a good 11-inch beard, man. Look at those spurs. Holy crap. Those are 1.5-inch spurs. Awesome trophy animal. Holy mackerel. This guy's huge. 2 birds within 48 hours. Phenomenal, man. Awesome. Oh. Thank you, Jah Rastafari.